Reynaxis Solutions.
Hi, this is Glenn Villar and welcome to another episode of Reynaxis Solutions. Today we have a Casio watch with a WX3JE movement. As you can see from the back, this is an original Casio watch. Now the issue with this watch, as they said, is that it is no longer working after an attempt by someone to replace its battery. Now, I'm suspecting that there is something wrong with its coil, and even though I haven't seen its coil yet, I have pre-ordered the coil like 6 months ago before this watch has arrived and received by me. I'm going to open it now. As you can see, I have opened the back cover and I'm going to try and remove the coil from this watch. Now, I haven't actually seen its coil, but I actually asked them about the model number, which is written at the back or inside the movement of this watch. Now I am using a microscope to zoom in and check the coil or the status of the coil. Here I am encircling it with the red circle, and as you can see from there, there is a visible damage to the coil and some scratches below that coil. As we know, the coil is a very sensitive part of a crystal watch. This is the coil that came from Lazada and I ordered it, as I said earlier, from 6 months ago. And without seeing the actual coil from the faulty watch, I just ordered it by the model number. Now if we zoom in and check this coil using my microscope, you can see that all of its wires are still intact. Now let's go ahead and try to remove the faulty coil from this watch. Using some precision screwdrivers, I will try and unscrew the tiny screws that are in this movement. The remaining watch strap is getting in the way, so I'm going to try and remove it first to get a better access to the movement. Before we replace the coil, it is better to compare its size side by side so we can see if it's going to fit or not. The faulty one is at the top part, and at the bottom is the new one. At first glance, you can immediately tell that these two coils do not match each other. The older faulty coil is a little bit smaller than the new coil that I ordered from Lazada. So this means that I cannot use the new coil as a replacement for the faulty coil. Now this gets me wondering, should I have bought the whole movement instead of buying just the coil? You know, the price for the whole movement for the replacement one is almost the same as the price of the single coil. If I'm not mistaken, the price for the whole movement for the replacement one is around 500 plus pesos, which is around $9. And the price for one coil is around 200 to 300 pesos, which is, very near the price for the whole movement. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm just going to close this back cover and keep the watch in a secure place, and later on I'm going to order the watch movement replacement for this watch. I'm just going to put this movement zoomed in using my microscope so we can see the actual model, which is the VX3JE movement, and we can get that from online shops like Lazada or Shopee, and the price is just around 551 pesos or just a $9. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe this channel. Leave your comments at the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.